at the Skyway Terminal, about to take the chairlift through the Rainforest to Kuranda. Thank you. Alright, I'm on the chairlift, and I've got a glass bottom. Nearly about to get launched. This feels like a roller coaster. And away we go. So we're going to Kuranda. It's a little rainforest mountaintop little village town which has a lot of attractions. Don't know if I'm going to get to see them all because I missed my connecting bus, so I've lost 45 minutes. This thing takes a bit of time to get to the top, up and around. But the best thing is, got like a glass bottom thing here. We'll check that out once we're going off over some cool rainforest. So this rainforest is older than the Amazon, apparently. I don't know how they do these things, but the scientists. What a wonderful way to travel. There's a couple stops along the way. We get to look deep into the rainforest, see some stuff. There's waterfalls as well along the way, so this is going to be very exciting. That looks pretty cool. Woohoo. So I'll see you at one of the stops. Good job. It's a nice suburb next to the rainforest. As we head on up. Get ready to hear the sounds of the rainforest. Yeah, this is spectacular. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, we're going over the road. We're about to arrive at our first terminal. Alright. Just got off at the first station, Red Peak. Gonna take a little Rainforest boardwalk loop tour, and then back on. The tour group. I've done the tour group before, so I'm just going to keep going.
Now everywhere you look, basically in every direction from Red Peak here, is pretty much the traditional lands of our Javakai people. They refer to themselves as Mama or Mama, meaning the people. Five separate clan families that live here.
Tell you what, it is so refreshing because it's about 5 degrees cooler here. You see, there's not much light coming through. But yeah, you don't want to get stuck in this rainforest. This stuff has like spikes like that. Whoa, like look at that. It's spiked. This big bastard of a tree. Oh, look at that guy. We find a little lookout. Wow. Probably end this video here and pick it up back when we're on the chairlift, and as we enter Kuranda. So I'll see you in the next video. God, I came across the cassowary with his children. Shh. They stand absolutely still.